Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to install the second floor and the second floor walls of the Spring Run kit. I'm doing a dry fit first just to make sure of the placement of the floor, and then using Aleene's tacky glue. I'm placing the side wall and front wall into the grooves to make sure I have the correct placement of the floor, but I am not gluing them at this time. I'm doing another quick dry fit of the walls and placing the back wall in its groove, again to make sure the floor is aligned properly. The reason why I keep dry fitting the walls and floors each time is because when I'm away from the project for a day or even a few hours, it's a nice refresher to see how things are supposed to line up before permanently gluing the walls in place. And now I'm adding weights to weigh down the floor, and I'm placing the top floor on just to confirm everything is where it should be. I'm using a wet rag and a small paintbrush to wipe away the excess glue and then drying the walls. 3 to 4 hours later, I'm removing the weights and now gluing the second floor walls in place. Again, using the square to make sure all the walls are straight. And for this wall, I'm using masking tape to help keep it up straight. By putting on the top floor, I can put the weights on to weigh down the walls. 3 to 4 hours later, I remove the weights and the second floor is done. Except I forgot to glue this wall, so I'll show that in my next video. Thanks for watching.